So now let us take a small pause and look at some questions and see how much we have understood the concepts that have been discussed. The first question that we are going to solve is, in the question it's given that A is a 3 by 4 matrix and the positional representation of the elements of Aij is given as half times mod of minus 3i plus j. So the question is, can you construct the matrix A? So A is a 3 by 4 matrix. That is 3 rows and 4 columns. So A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. So these are the 12 elements which you need to find out. So what is A11? So A11 is nothing but you need to put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So half of modulus of minus 3 plus 1. So 2 by 2 is 1. So what is A12? Half of, as long as I is equal to 1, this will be minus 3. So minus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. A13, half of minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. A14, half of minus 3 plus 4 is equal to, again, 1 by 2. Next, let us write the elements of the second row. A21 is equal to half times, if I is equal to 2, minus 3 into 2 becomes minus 6. So minus 6 plus 1 is 5 by 2. So A22 is minus 6 plus 2 is 4 by 2 is 2. A23 is half of minus 6 plus 3, which is 3 by 2. A24 is half of minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 1. Next, A31, A32, A33, A34. So if I is equal to 3, this number becomes minus 9. So half of mod of minus 9 plus 1, that is where we start. So minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Mod of minus 8 is plus 8. By 2 is 4. So here you have minus 9 plus 2 is 7 by 2. Minus 9 plus 3 is mod minus 6, which is 6 by 2 is 3. This is equal to 5 by 2. So you got all the elements, just need to fill the elements. So the first row is 1, half, 0, half, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. So this is the required matrix. Thank you.